It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 23rd of July. I'm Michael Groff. The four-letter word used to describe our forecast over the next few days, among others, heat. Near record heat by tomorrow. And then temperatures will see a gradual downtrend by the time we get toward the end of the week and into the weekend. Moisture returns. The monsoon starts to come back, and daily chances of showers and thunderstorms will also be present in our forecast once more. Let's get out there and talk about it. First of all, yesterday in the valley, 109 degrees the high, 85 our low. We did pick up 1/100th of an inch of rain on Saturday. And outside right now here at 5:55 a.m. We've got a few clouds in the valley. We begin this day. Yeah, it's 90 degrees at Sky Harbor. Still a bit muggy out there. Dew points at 61. Humidity 39%. Winds are light. Barometer is falling. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning range from about 80 in the cool spots to near 90 in the urban core. The water vapor satellite view, a very anomalous pattern across the country. High amplitude. This is late July, and we've got a trough and a surface boundary all the way down to the Gulf Coast across Florida. Very strange. Meanwhile, Big Ridge out here in the southwest. The watch warning map, heat the big story, of course, here in the southwest states with excessive heat warnings for Phoenix, Tucson, Yuma, all the way up toward Las Vegas and throughout much of California. But also in the southern plain states, Dallas, Fort Worth at Love Field over the weekend, they had a high temperature of 110 degrees. Elsewhere, a few flood watches across parts of the Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic coast. The convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around New Orleans. Elsewhere, a marginal risk in sections of Colorado. Again, the middle Atlantic states, and with that surface boundary across central Florida, a marginal risk there. Rainfall for the next 7 days here in the valley, around 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, with somewhat higher amounts over the eastern and southeastern parts of the state. Mostly this will fall later this week and into this weekend as the monsoon comes back in. And we'll get into the details of that now as we check out the models and take a look at how things are progressing. Let's go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. Ridge here over the southwest. Upper heights somewhere in the 597 to 600 decameter range. And an anomalous trough in the east. And down at the surface today, well, sunny skies, high temperatures somewhere between 111 and 114. The record high temperature for the date here in the valley is 114, set in 2006 and 2014, so we will be very close to that. Tonight with clear skies, lows in the 80s to near 90, and then tomorrow, this will be the hottest day of the forecast period. Mostly sunny skies. An isolated mountain thunderstorm may occur, but nothing for us here in the valley. High temperatures 114 to 117. Record high for tomorrow, 116 degrees, so we will be very close, if not we will break that record. So be aware of that. Then Wednesday morning, we'll start the day out in the low 90s. Highs, again, 111 to 114. Thursday, we'll start to see the ridge slide a little bit further to the north. More of an easterly flow will start to seep back in here, and some moisture will come in from the Gulf of California as well, as we expect a little bit of a Gulf surge at some point in the middle part of the week. So high temperatures will begin to head down, 107 to 110. That's not much of a relief. And the humidity will be on the increase. Friday, more moisture coming in. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the eastern mountains. I think we stay dry here in the valley, though. High temperatures 104 to 107. Saturday, we'll start to reintroduce a chance of showers and storms here to south central Arizona as somewhat more moisture comes in, and probably at least one or two little disturbances rotate around this upper ridge as well. And so that'll set the stage for partly sunny skies, high temperatures around 100 to 103. Sunday, partly sunny skies, and we may stay in the 90s. Might not even make the century mark, depending on how everything plays out. But moisture will be on the increase and a chance of showers and storms. And a week from today, this is Monday, the 30th of July. Monsoon ridge back in play with an easterly flow. High temperatures generally in the 100 to 104 degree range, and a slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. That'll continue for Tuesday, the 31st. And here's the end of the forecast period. Wednesday, the 1st of August, still at least a low-grade monsoon in effect, with daily chances of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. Highs 101 to 105. Let's check the numbers coming off the European ensemble through the period. Yeah, there it is. 117 tomorrow. And then the Europeans got us going back to around the century mark. And again, we could be even below that sometime this weekend or early next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Please stay hydrated, stay cool, and have yourselves a great Monday.